What's going on, guys? TreyMay10 here, back with another Zox unboxing. I've got another mystery pack. This is my one for the month of October. And also today I received a strap and got my 4th gold card. So we're one away from being able to redeem prize. I'm not sure what it is, but I know there's something when you get 5 gold cards. So just one more, and then we can unbox that. The strap's name is Inner Light, and we got number 28. And the quote is, "A star doesn't compete with other stars, it just shines." And on here we've got a really cool design. I really love the color scheme of this. But there's like this, I know it's not a goat, it's one of those like African, maybe like an ibex or something. And then a woman with her inner light showing, I guess. Sorry about that notification. And then on the inside, pretty much the same with the inner light. You can see the little gold stitching. There's silver for comparison. So yeah, I really like this one. And we got a gold one, so that's cool. And then I forgot to show you guys in the last video the strap I got for someone using my referral code, which actually I got an email a couple days ago that someone else had used my referral code, so I've got another referral strap on the way that I'll unbox in the next video that I have it. But this is Touch the Sky. We got number 706, and it says, "With outstretched arms we soar towards the unimaginable." And on here we've got a cool like moon and a constellation with an astronaut. And it's all this real cool green. And then the inside just kind of has a rainbowy and Touch the Sky. And the only way to get this strap is to get a referral. So shout out to whoever used my referral code. I still don't know who it was. If either of you guys see this video, let me know. I'd like to thank you. Without further ado though, we'll get on to our mystery pack. And for the first one, we got a Season 2 strap. From the Neverland series, we got Warrior, number 1940. And it says, "Pirates are ruthless, burly and rough, but I am a warrior, I was built tough." And it's been really long since I've seen Peter Pan, so I don't really know who this would be. But as you can see, we got the like a woman's face, and it looks like she's kind of in a desert of sorts. And then on the inside, the same kind of desert with Warrior. Okay, I kind of like that one. On to the next one. And it looks like we got, let me silence my phone, sorry guys. We got another Season 2 from the Yellow Brick Road, Nerves of Steel, number 543. "I'm king of the beasts, but a mouse makes me squeal. I sure hope that Great Wizard has some spare nerves of steel." And it's the Cowardly Lion. Kind of got some like butterflies and some trees, and then the lion with the crown. And on the inside we've got a yellow brick road. And then nerves of steel. Okay. And then for our last one, we got another season 2. Wow. We got Trip Around Mercury, number 818. And it tells us a year on Mercury is only 88 days. I didn't realize it was such a short cycle around the sun for Mercury. And so on here, we've obviously got Mercury in a spaceship with the sun in the background there. And on the inside, pretty much the same. Trip Around Mercury. Alright. Well, as always, thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe if you want to see the next referral come in, or, you know, hopefully we can get another gold and see what that mystery prize is for 5 gold. But yeah, see you next time.